Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing and swatching some BornPretty products. These products were sent to me to share with you all, and this video is not sponsored, although I wish it was. However, I was super excited when the PR team reached out to me, as I have used and own some BornPretty products already, so I am familiar with the brand. So let's go ahead and see what is inside of the package. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna start by diving in. The packaging was so well wrapped. I'm so thankful for how they sent the product. Everything came intact and it was nicely wrapped and secured with some foaming around it, so that was nice. You will see that each bottle was individually wrapped, which was really nice in my opinion, just in case one of the bottles broke or we had spilling. The product wouldn't have went on all the products, which is really nice. So I was sent a list of items that I can choose from. So I did choose four nail colors, and they also sent along their cat eye magnet, because I did choose two that are cat eye. So as you can see, I'm just showing you how well everything is wrapped here. Also, they have changed their packaging. I don't know if this will now be their signature color duo. So now the bottles are black and gold, and it has a little window so you can see the shade as well, which is very helpful, especially if you're not like familiar with the name of the color or whatever it is. You'll know what shade you're grabbing for. And as you can see, I'm just showing you that it was nicely sealed with the color on this side. So packaging 10 out of 10. And it felt so expensive, so luxurious, which I really enjoyed considering they're really affordable. And then they did also send me the reflective glitter. I know you've seen this going around all over social media. The only thing with this one though is that it's a nail polish. I wish they gave me the option for the gel version, because they do have the gel versions and they are freaking beautiful. So if you do see the gel version, definitely pick that one up instead of the nail polish. I'm just not a big fan of nail polish anymore. If you guys have tried any products from BornPretty and you think there's something that I should try, leave it down below, because I have again purchased with my own money from this brand multiple times. So if there's something that you think I should definitely get from them, please leave it down below, because I will pick it up. And I'm just comparing the sizes of the bottles. The black one is the biggest. And then they did send over the basic magnet that goes with the magnetic gel polish. So it comes with a rectangular side and then a circle side, just so that way you could play up with your gel polishes. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and start swatching the polishes. I am going to be swatching on a clear swatch stick and also a black swatch stick. It just helps so you can see the shades a little bit better, in my opinion. I did try and use tweezers to open the plastic off the product, but honestly, I didn't even need the tweezers. It was so easy to peel with just my nail. Also, I do already have on gel extensions because I am going to be doing a nail design as well. So if you do want to see that, just stay till the end of the video and you will see how I get my first of fall nails going on using BornPretty products. This color is so pigmented, so smooth. Honestly, if I didn't use a clear tip, I would have only needed just one coat. What I did like about this gel polish though is when I went to cure it, once I did the second layer, there was literally like no tacky residue on the top. I don't know if that's going to be the same for the entire collection, but at least for this shade, that's what happened, and I was so obsessed with it. So with this reflective gel polish, whether you use the gel or the normal nail lacquer, it does shine even brighter in a dim light, and when the light hits it, it just lights up. It is so beautiful. It looks like you have crushed diamonds in your nail polish, and it's to die for. So I did turn the lights out so you can see it with the lights off as well. Oh, it's breathtaking. Like, I don't even have words for how beautiful this shade is. I know if it was the gel version, it would have been 10 out of 10, but I will say with the nail polish, it got a little clumpy. I couldn't get that smoothness that I wanted, but we made it work. Day drinking to the evening, I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away. Day drinking to Moving on to the cat eye magnetic gel polishes, which were also some of my faves. I am a sucker for a good cat eye gel polish. You can get so creative with it. You could either do designs with it, or one of my favorite ways is to just get the whole nail to be reflective, and you'll kind of see like the technique I use to get that full on reflectiveness happening. But on a black base, these gel polishes, you guys, that's the way to go with them. If you want full opacity, like, this is where it's at. And this is me showing you how to get like that full nail. So depending on the direction you move your hand in will depend on how the light reflects from the polish. Sadly, this is our last shade to swatch. I really wish I had way more shades to swatch and show you guys, because I am so impressed with BornPretty lately. With the first coat, it wasn't the best, but like I said, with the black base, it really goes off. It shows its true color. And very quickly, I just want to add, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you are subscribed, welcome back to my videos. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you show me on my channel. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. I will leave everything that I did get in the video linked down below. I didn't get a coupon code for you guys this time, but hopefully maybe in our next collaboration I could get one for you all, for all your support. And yeah, everything will be linked down below, so just check for that. Trying to wash the pain away. So getting into the tutorial, as you can see, like I said, I already have my tips on, but in case you don't know this method or technique, I will link my video down below. I have a couple videos on how I do the Gel X press-on method. And then as you can see, I am going in with my e-file, and I'm just taking the shine off of the nail. And I am using it on a very low speed, so low that if I press too hard, the drill will stop. And I am going around the cuticle as well, just to really melt it into the natural nail. And the reason I'm doing this is because, like I say in all my videos, gel adheres better to a more roughened up surface, and I think that goes with a lot of nail extensions, to be honest. And I was going for that French tip design, and I was trying that viral TikTok hack, but for me it wasn't working somehow, some way. My finger just kept, I guess, piercing the little jelly parts, and the nails weren't sharp at all, to be honest, especially since I had reshapen them and filed them down. They were not pointy. So I am going to show you one way that I did try to do the French tip on my own freehand. So I started by drawing a line down the center of where I essentially wanted the arch to be in the French tip. And boom, I messed up because that's just my life. Hand art gets me so nervous. I don't know why. I just get so anxious when I have to freehand it. Don't ask me. But as you can see, we did it, and I'm going in with some acetone to clean up any of my mistakes that I might have. And sorry about the notification interruption, just my boyfriend texting me and, you know, interrupting my videos like he always does. No big deal. So I'm also just going to fill in the rest of the nail by using the brush that comes with the nail polish instead, just to make it quicker and easier application. And that way I'm not struggling, you guys. You don't want to struggle. So then I tried another method because I then decided, well, hell, this is taking way too long, and I also have to do my right hand. Mind you, I'm right-handed, so we're trying a different technique. So what I did here was I tried, and I mean I really tried to create a French tip as best as I could with the nail brush, and then I went in with the acetone to clean up and perfect the French line even more, which worked out so much better, so much easier. And also, this is my first time doing a French design on my own, on myself. Let's just start there, okay? Why would I do that to myself? I don't know, especially when I had to do my other hand. I'm still shook that I did my other hand, okay? So then I am going in with some other products that, again, I had from BornPretty before, because I do use their products. So this is what their older packaging also looks like as well, if you were, you know, wondering what it looked like. So I'm just going to blob some dots of the polish on my little painting tray here, and then I'm going to take a dotting tool and swirl it together to create a little marble effect. You can do marble 1,010 ways. Again, this is just one way that I'm doing it. I also used some Blossom gel polish, and I did a very thin layer of that, and I didn't go in and cure it. And then I'm scooping up the little marble design that I did with a flat brush, and I'm gently dragging it down to the tip of the nail, and the Blossom gel will do the rest of the work. And again, don't forget to wipe the side of your nails before you go in and cure. Now that the nail is cured, I am going to take advantage of the tacky layer that's left behind from the Blossom gel, and I'm just going to add some gold foil because I feel like I always have to add a little something to my nail sets. I can't just have simple plain colors. I need a pop, whether it's glitter, foil, rhinestones, something. And this is me showing you my right hand, my dominant hand. And then I'm going in with the Amy Lee gel top coat, only because BornPretty didn't have that as an option for me to choose from. It was only the matte top coat, and I already own the matte top coat. But I wish they did send me their top coat because I've been seeing it on their social media, and oh my goodness, it looks so freaking good. So like thick and like clear. I love a good clear top coat, you guys. They drink into the evening. I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away. They drink into the evening. I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away, 'cause I can see it from me. But you never know it. So that's pretty much it, you guys. The nails are nice and cured. I am going to go in with my St. Jane oil. This oil is technically a skincare oil for your face, but I mean, if I could use it for my face, why not my cuticles? It is quite expensive and it works amazing. And that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much again for supporting my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.